Alright, so here we are for the first running video of the Super Rock Rey, and we are in a very different location. The ocean is just beyond there. Now I thought that I could come on here and actually film at the beach, but it's more swampland than it is beach. There is a beach out towards that side, but it's a bit populated and there's people walking dogs and stuff. I can't really go there. Now this is supposed to be a dog park, but as you can see there's no one around here, and there's a lot of these like little mounds, little hills, which I think are going to be perfect for running this particular type of vehicle. So this will be kind of interesting. It's not going to be a lot of jumping going on here in this running video. It's just to see how the truck will actually handle, yeah, I think it's going to be fun. The way that this terrain kind of plays out, I think this is right where I want this Super Rock Rey to behave. So here we go. We are on 8S, all stock other than the tires. Let's see how she runs. You can see that's exactly the type of suspension that this is made for, and it's bloody quick on 8S, I tell you what. Whoop! There's our first tumble, and that is the beauty of solid axle. You can't just hammer into the corners, it will tumble over. It's actually not a bad vantage point from up here. So, oh man, when you peg this thing, it really does go hard. Those LEDs look fantastic on this truck. We got to go easy on the turns, don't go too hard. Man, this thing is insane. On 8S, here we go. I do have AVC turned off, so I'm not running it with AVC at the moment. Oof. Oh, yeah, this is, I really like the way that this is performing. I mean, to me, this is where these cars belong, in these sort of uneven surfaces, letting those trailing arms do their job, let the suspension do its job. Look at it, it's so good. I will probably do some jumping with it, but I just don't want to do that right now. I'm kind of happy just running it along here. It's just brilliant. Oh yeah, a little wheelie. It's certainly a little bit better on this terrain than just a plain flat surface. Let's go up the gravel path again. Really kicking up some dust on full throttle there. This thing is so cool. Alright, let's change locales. Whoop! Oh, just as I say that, it tumbles over. You can't go hard on the corners. Alright, let's go from here. There's a couple of really big sort of potholes, I guess you call them, over here. So this is really, you can see it's getting a little bit of air. You just can't go hard on the corners. Not on this terrain anyway. Oh! I lost a wheel! That's not good. I'm hoping it's just a wheel nut that's come off. I'm hoping that's all it is. Oh god. What has happened? Yeah, just lost the wheel nut. Damn it! And I tightened the living daylights out of these things too. They had those, the wheel nut's got that, what's the name? It's flanged and it's, what's it called? Got the rough surface on the back. I can't remember it now. So there's my little adapter that I did. That's out of the Team Magic set. If my camera would focus on that, that'd be fantastic, but I don't think it wants to. So anyway, that's it there. I'll give you guys a close-up of it. I'm not even going to bother looking for the wheel nut. I'm pretty sure I've got spare ones in the car. So let's go grab that and get this thing up and running again. Okay, all fixed up. Get some pigeons. Pigeons! Out of the way, pigeons. Oh, nice. That's the only thing with this, you can't hook it into the turns. You can probably, like, you can pin it coming out of the turns, but you can't. Oh, the old donkey kick strikes then. It's got power. It's got heaps of grunt. I'll tell you what though, like on 6S, if you don't have 8S, this actually works really well on 6S. As well. It's obviously just not as fast, but... Alright, what I'm doing, because I'm driving with AVC off, I'm going to turn AVC on. I'm going to go all the way full. I'm going to see how this behaves now. Oh, I see the wobble? Look at that! See the wobble? Look at it! It does not oh, yeah, now see... I've always said this from the beginning, like, I think AVC... Look at it, look at it, look at it! I'm not doing that. Seriously? My handle... I'm not steering that at all. And it's wobbling all over the shop. And we have dogs. Doggies! Doggies have come to play! Hey doggies! Alright, AVC off. This one's very curious. Very curious. You're gonna... I'm going very slow. It's alright, it's not gonna hit ya. How are ya? How are ya? Hey! Oh, you're gorgeous. You're gorgeous. Nah, that's alright.
Because we got them at home.
Yeah. Yeah, that's alright. My dog's the same. So. Okay. Alright, we'll just wait until they go away and we'll keep going. So, what did we establish today? That AVC on this truck does not work all that well at all. I mean, I was going to bind this to my DX5C, but I think I may actually take the receiver out, if I can, and put it into something that's going to actually make use of that AVC. Oof! Does love a donkey kick, and this is why, you know, these cars are not really suited for BMX tracks. I know that some people are probably hanging for me to take this to the BMX track, but I don't know. It's just not made for that. I just love driving it like this. I think it's awesome like this. It looks cool. It sounds good. It's big. It's going to turn some heads. Ooh, little wheelie that time, as I had it fully pegged. Still like to bring up the rear every once in a while, and there it is again. Jeez. I do like it. I don't think this is going to be for everyone. And it's obviously a lot of money to put down, but I do like it. And another wheel's come off, the same one. I tightened the bejesus out of that. I tightened the bejesus out of this. There is no way that that should have come off. There is no way. Well, some mysterious thing is going on here. I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to put maybe some Loctite on this. But, oh god, it's picking up all sorts of grassy bits here in the wheel. But that same wheel, that is very strange. I don't know why that is. Oh god, I think I may have gone over some doggy poo. That's going to require some disinfectant. All right, well, I think I'm going to leave this one here because otherwise we're just going to be running up and down this these hills. It's a shame that the wheel keeps coming off, but there we have it, the Super Rock Rey first run on 8S at a new location, which I know a lot of people have been wanting me to change locations every once in a while, so here's something new, and that is pretty much where I'm going to leave this video. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, hey, give it a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you want to say something. Subscribe if you're new to keep up to date with all the new videos I got coming out. And that is it from me. Speak to you all next time. Bye.